Hey guys, it's Brianna, and today we are going to be talking about how to change the hoop size in Embrilliance. When you open up the program, you'll see this shape. For me, it is a square. It might be a rectangle for you. It just depends on what it is set to currently. So, to change this, you're going to click on this little folder, and then you'll see that it's already on hoops. Next, you have the drop down where it says PES. For me, you can change this to whatever machine you have. Then you'll see all the different hoop sizes that are available for Embrilliance. And at the very bottom here, you'll see the inches. Some of us don't run in millimeters, so that's helpful. And there are so many different ones. My machine is 100 by 100, but if you have a different machine, of course there are different ones for you to choose from. I recommend saving your preference as the base for your machine, so the hoop that you use the most. For me, it's the 100 by 100, which is just a 4 by 4. But say you're doing a lot of sleeve works, you can use the ovals for that, and maybe that's going to be the one that you want the program to open up to first thing when you open it. There's also multi-position hoops, so go ahead and select the little multi-position on the side, and you're going to see a couple different options pop up. So if you want the continuous, which is a 2 position, you'll go on that one. If you want the 3, you'll click that one. Multi-position, again, unless you are using that all the time, I wouldn't save that as your preference. So here I'm going to select the multi-position, click OK, and you'll see that it's running up and down, but I want mine to go side to side. So in order to do that, I'm going to go back to multi-position and select rotate 90, and it's going to show your hoop going from right to left rather than up and down. Let's say I close out the program after using my multi-position hoop. When I open the program back up, it's going to go back to my default of the 4x4 hoop instead of the multi-position hoop. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed all of these tips. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and let me know what you want to see next down below. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!